I have always loved daylilies because they're so easy to grow and look so great in large quantities. Once planted, daylilies can thrive for many years, even decades, with little care, even beside a country road. They are widely considered one of the easiest perennial plants to grow, and they tolerate a wide range of soil conditions, including poor soil as long as it's well drained. They are drought tolerant once established, and they put on a beautiful show in your flower garden. Despite individual flowers only lasting one day, which is why they're called daylilies, a single plant produces an abundance of blooms over a period of weeks, even months, providing continuous color. Daylilies are known for vigorous growth and their ability to multiply quickly. In various garden soils, they are tough, low-maintenance perennials because they adapt to a wide range of conditions. Daylilies primarily spread their fleshy, tuber-like roots called rhizomes, which form dense clumps. And these rhizomes produce new fans, including plants with a set of leaves and roots that gradually expand the clump. While they prefer well-drained, slightly acidic soil, rich in organic matter, daylilies are incredibly tolerant of different soil types, including sandy and clay soils. They even tolerate both drought and somewhat wet conditions once established. And I don't do anything special to take care of my daylilies. When they start to crowd out their neighbor, I just dig them up and throw them in the compost pile. I don't divide them. I just dig some up and get rid of them. To encourage continued strong blooming and to manage their spread, it is often recommended to divide daylily clumps every 3 to 5 years. And this process involves digging up the clumps and separating the fans and replanting them. This division actually helps propagate more plants. While generally fast multipliers, their exact growth rate is influenced by variety. Some older, wilder daylilies, like Hema or Callus fulva, are more aggressive spreaders than the modern hybrids. In seed catalogs, there are many colors and sizes of daylilies that may need special care to reproduce slower than common ordinary daylilies, but I love the common daylilies the most. They prefer at least 6 hours of sun a day, which encourages more blooms and stronger growth. They love consistent moisture, especially during budding and flowering, which leads to better quality blooms. While they don't require heavy fertilization, I actually don't give mine any fertilization at all. An application of compost or a balanced slow release fertilizer can boost their growing and flowering. In warmer climates, they may even grow and multiply faster. Here in Zone 5 in Illinois, they reproduce just about as fast as I would want them to. Older, wilder types of daylilies are super enthusiastic spreaders compared to the newer, fancier hybrids. They love at least 6 hours a day. The more sun, the more blooms. Keep them consistently moist, especially when they're budding and flowering. This means better blooms and happier plant all around. And you don't need to go crazy with fertilizer. Like I said, I don't give mine any. But a yearly dose of compost or fertilizing in the spring can really kick their growth into high gear. In warmer places, they might grow and multiply even faster since they don't have these cold winters to force them into a dormancy. That was all about daylilies. And if you like these daylilies here in my front yard garden, please subscribe to my channel, and I will talk to you next time. And thanks a lot. Goodbye.